Hello, in this session we'll see about the Oracle's new data warehousing database, the Oracle Exadata. First, let's see the benefits of Exadata. As they say, it has an extreme performance. It's up to 100 times faster than the regular Oracle database. So how it does this is like it has more pipes to data, it has wider pipes, and it encompasses the massively parallel architecture. And like the regular Oracle database, it has unlimited scalability, linear scaling of data bandwidth, and the standard Oracle's quality in transaction and job, and the mission critical availability, data protection, disaster recovery, backup, point-in-time recovery, validation, and encryption. We can use everything, all data, all the regular Oracle's database, the data guard, the RMAN, everything, every concept is applicable with data Exadata here. Now let's see about the architecture of Exadata. So Exadata breaks data bandwidth bottleneck. So basically it does all the processing and it ships only the required data to be displayed. So that is one of the main reasons this database is very fast. So the query processing is moved into the storage, which dramatically reduces the data sent to the servers. So we are automatically offloading the load on the CPUs. Exadata has more pipes. The modular cell building blocks are organized for the massively parallel grid. Bandwidth scales with capacity. It has bigger pipes, bigger InfiniBand interconnect transfers, data 5 times faster than the regular fiber channel. So basically it moves data a lot faster. We'll see about how the data is actually stored in the Exadata cells in the next few slides. And we'll see about the massively parallel processing there. And now let's see about the hardware architecture. A scalable grid of industry standard servers for compute and storage. It eliminates long-standing trade-off between scalability, availability, and cost. So typically an Exadata hardware, it has a database grid with 8 dual-core processor or a combination of that, 8 dual-core processors. It has an InfiniBand network with the speed of 40 GB per second, unified storage, and it has an intelligent storage grid, 14 high-performance, low-cost storage servers to store the data. It could be a 100 terabyte performance disk or a 336 terabyte performance disk with high capacity, and it has a 5.3 TB PCI flash, and again mirroring data is mirrored across storage servers. So this is a view about the complete family of database machines for data warehousing. So Oracle Exadata X2 and Oracle Exadata X2 2 and 8. So like X2 2 has quarter half full and multi-racks, and X2 8 has full and multi-racks. So now let's see about the software and storage features in Exadata. So there are 5 important things we'll be seeing in detail. The first is Exadata Smart Scans, Exadata Storage Indexes, Hybrid Columnar Compression, Exadata Smart Flash Cache, and the Resource Manager, IO Resource Manager. First, let's see about the transaction processing in our traditional Oracle database. So here what happens is all the database intelligence reside on the host. So because of this, a very large percentage of data is returned from the storage to the clients and it's discarded. The discarded data consumes huge valuable resources and it impacts the performance of the other workloads. So what happens with Exadata is only the relevant columns are returned to the host. The CPU consumed by the predicate evaluation is offloaded. So because of this moving of scan processing of the database frees the host, the CPU cycles, and eliminates the massive amounts of unproductive messaging. So as they say, it returns the needle and not the entire haystack. Now let's see about the storage indexes in Exadata. Exadata storage indexes maintain summary information about the table data in memory. It stores as a regular index. It stores minimum and max values of columns, typically one index entry for every megabyte of disk. This eliminates the IOs if min and max can never match. And the where class of query is completely automatic and transparent. Then let's see about the smart flash cache. Exadata has 5 TB of flash, 56 flash PCI cards, avoid disk controller bottlenecks, intelligently manages flash. Smart flash cache holds data, provides large scan whiteboards of cache. Exadata flash cache archives over 1 million IOs second from SQL sub-millisecond response time. Let's see about the resource manager in Exadata. It ensures different databases are allocated to the correct relative amount of fiber bandwidth. It ensures different users and tasks within the database are allocated the correct relative amount of IO bandwidth. Interleaved disk. Interleaved disk store the data much frequently used and the one less frequently used separately. So the hot data will be placed on the outer disks and the cold will be in the inner disk. So all applications benefit from this higher performance outer track of disks. Let's say about the storage management and administration. Exadata can be managed by the enterprise manager. We can monitor the database, machines, hardware, the plugins, the storage cells, and other components. Auto service request is a file assets automatically for common hardware faults, comprehensive CLI, local Exadata storage cell management, distributed shell utility to execute CLI across multiple cells, embedded integrated lights out manager, it's a remote management and administration feature of the hardware. So with this we have come to an end of this presentation. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.